My people, I say better good morning to at this special time. My own name is Papa Jojo, just as I don't know as usual, and I'm the only man with the make person go through fitness world this morning. But another area, another segment, where one making a way I want making a Joe according to my name, the way they push me. Now top step board fitness program this morning. And this level, for this one, which I'm saying, you no need to go on the ground floor program, but you just need to see how well you fit get anything where stand like step board, according to how Iboma they call it, improvises. So this morning, if you know so well, you know if you get out the way with the carry and go the way with the go, but just try to follow up small the way I go because I don't want to waste your time this morning. But the first stage, where would they take this morning? Now even the first basic step workout, where you go to follow your count, 1, like that, you go, 2, you don't go waste time, 3, see the way they go, 4. You see this kind of program where we get this morning, this one will help you focus your mind the way they go. And what will happen, you need to concentrate eye. You need to focus eye because it's all about the focus. The level of your focus will go determine how your body will work really more effective to make you feel say you do it, you exercise with your count. 4, 5. You go see the way I go combine everything together now. 7, straight away. Then 8. This one a single knee lift. Then the back heel tap. That's that one I want. You see like that. Then 2. Then your knees hop. Then the back heel tap. 3. You follow your count. 4. Like that. The back heel tap. 5. Straight away. You go like that. 6. You don't go stop. You go straight away. 7. Fix your mind on top what you do. Straight away. 8. Now, we want to go straight to the basic movement of the V-step program walk. You go like that. Make sure say you feel like say you dance and in two rhythm with your music. Then 2. Even though your hand off it goes straight away, but just alternate. Wait till me say you go do it another way around. Where we say it go easy for you to feel flow like that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you don't stop for here. See 1, 2. You go follow your count. 3, 4, 5, 6. Look my back heel. Now so you tap. 8. Then new hop. Just only 5. 2, 3, 4. Make sure say you enjoy them. 5. You endure. Then combination of both. Heel tap. Your knees up. Your mind go focus high now. Your knees up. That's 2. Heel tap. 3. Follow up like that. Heel tap. Knees up. 4. Heel tap. Then 5. You don't go give up. Just try. Even though you make mistake or you don't get them precisely. Have you asked where the house there where they work? You know, compulsory say you need to do them 100% the way I take them. But try within your own maximum range. At least if you do it today, you do it tomorrow. You do it next tomorrow. Small. You will do it. You will head close to your perfection stage. Heel tap. New. We take them again. Heel tap. You remain 3 more. Knees up. Then heel tap. Then knees up. Now yell step. This one. You go 2. You go like that. 3. Follow your count. 4. You don't go give up. Make sure your mic was at 5. Straight away. You go. 6. Now you get 2 more. 7. After your last one, you will just make up only the tap, side to side tap. You go 1. What did this one they do? It will prepare you to be able to change your foot so that you don't go make mistake. Now, Sam, 1, straight away. 1, 2, you go like that. 3, then you increase your tempo movement. 4, then straight. 5, you go. Yes, so my people, I really want to appreciate you now for this special time when I don't make with me out of this special channel, Wazobia TV. Until tomorrow, I don't go waste your time. But don't forget my own name, na Papa Jojo. We go. 1, you go. 2.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.